plays a key role in a healthy and happy lifestyle, as it has a direct impact on daily life activities such as eating, speaking, and smiling. Visiting the dentist can seem out of reach and/or too expensive for the simple reason that you might not have adequate dental insurance coverage. Lucky for you, there is a more cost-effective alternative to managing oral health for you and your family. You can enroll in a dental plan through Insubuy. A dental plan is not a health insurance policy, it's a dental discount plan. The dental plan membership will cover teeth cleanings, x-rays, and routine checkups, as well as major treatments such as root canals, crowns, bridges, and tooth extractions. Included in the plan is also a vision discount bonus included at no additional cost. Enroll into a dental discount plan through Insubuy today, start saving, and don't be afraid to smile.